In this video, we are going to see a very important feature of Excel, that is inserting a comment. So we can add a comment in a cell. The purpose of that is basically there are two uses which I can think of. First is to tell the people who are going to see your Excel sheet to what are the assumptions you have made in the sheet. Secondly, you can pass on instructions related to a particular cell via using comments, and moreover you can also add comments for your own use. That is, say if you have made an assumption, you can add a comment in that cell because maybe you are going to see that sheet after a long time, and maybe you won't remember the assumptions which you have used in filling the data in that particular cell or in that particular sheet. So let us understand how we can add a comment in Excel. Now we can see this data which is related to some facility making certain types of clothes where we have machines. So what we are having is efficiency of the machine, sales per annum, and the unit cost, and based on that the total cost is calculated. Efficiency of machines is given in the percentage terms. We want to convey information related to the same. Say this data is based on the last 5 years, so we want to add a comment here in efficiency of machine. So what we can do is either select the cell and right click on it and go to insert comment, or we can go to the review tab. In the review tab you can say comment section. There you can add a new comment, and also we have a shortcut which is Shift F2, which can be used for inserting a comment in a particular cell. So let us insert a comment here. So the moment we click on insert, it starts showing the owner's name. So it is showing the name. Now if you want, you can add a date, on which date the comment is made, say 6th of July, and then you can add a comment below this. The comment is data based on last 5 years. Now we can click anywhere outside. So you can see in this cell you have got a small red colored triangle at the upper right hand corner. So normally this will not be the comment will not be showing, but the moment we hover over the cell, the comment starts showing. So the moment somebody sees a triangle like this in any of the cells, that person will the person can hover over the cell and see the comment which is made in this. The other application was to convey some instructions or some guidelines to people, like we want to convey the information that sales per annum has to be based on last financial year. So again we can add a comment, say this time I am using Shift F2. So it opens the comment, and then we can add a date, 6th of July, and then add the comment that fill data for FY 23-24. So in this way you can add a comment. Now the person who is going to see this comment will fill the data based on that. Say 59 is a value for facility A having the swing machine number 1 or 101. So that calculation will happen. So in this way you can add a comment in a particular cell which will convey certain information to the people who are using that particular Excel sheet. Otherwise the other option was to send all the information in via mail or via through a document, which is very cumbersome, because then the person will have to match the instructions or the information given with the cells which is there. Hope the feature of insert comment is clear to you. Thank you.